Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexa's here with the Modesty. Well, today, as you noticed, I am not wearing my mask, get ready type of thing, my headband, because I feel like I'm in a kind of a sort of a way, you know? And so I just want to go ahead and video this because I do have a winner chosen for Mask Monday Ladies giveaway. And also, Skincare Monday, well, I have my replenishing Paula's Choice, and so I can share with you what I'm replenishing and also kind of do a real quick affirmation. I hope you're okay with that today, but it is Mask Monday Ladies, and welcome to a new week. Okay, so I actually was just getting ready to record this video. I almost didn't today because, like I said, I'm feeling like kind of, you know, I don't know what's going on. The moon, the sun, I don't know if it's just like not lining up for me, but yeah, I was kind of feeling that way. And then I looked through my motivations app and something came up for me. It's almost, it's a personal message to me. So I've gone ahead and held on to that so I can share with you. But if you're interested in see who won last week's Mask Monday Lady giveaway and what I'm replenishing my skincare with, and also hear about my day, please stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. Here I am, and as you notice, I do look a little different. I did get a haircut yesterday, so I'm happy about that. I've been kind of like, you know, wanting to change a little. It's the same haircut, just, you know, I guess blown out the different way, and I added some curls and some body to it, and that's all I did. And anyway, you know, let me know what you think. I wanted to do something different, right? And also, let's go ahead and, you know, today I was just like really like been down lately, which is unusual for me. And I don't know, you know, I was just sitting there thinking, well, you know, I mean, what is worse, feeling guilty for the way I feel or the way I feel? And I really just kind of thought of that, you know, not too long ago, maybe 5 minutes ago. I'm like, why do I feel like this? You know, sometimes I feel so guilty that I feel down because, you know, I have everything that, I mean, I have things that people pray for, right? And, you know, I have a great husband. I have a great career. You know, I have great, you know, tangible things. And so, you know, what's up with that? You know, it's like, God. So I'm like, get out of it. And my husband took me out to dinner. And we had dinner, and he actually baked me some cookies, special cookies today. And so, you know, I've had a good day, you know, and we did our morning thing, and we actually walked the mall for about, I guess, almost 3 hours. And I just couldn't, you know, get into buying anything. And yeah, it's just like I tried clothes on. I'm like, no. I'm so miserable. I think it's because I've gained weight or something. I don't know. But I got to do something about that. So anyway, what does it say? And I think this has a lot to do with it, you know. And my husband and I talked a lot today. And so it says, I literally love being at home in my own space, comfortable, not surrounded by people. And sometimes I think people can be overwhelming to me. I mean, you know, doing this and, you know, I mean, talking to you guys is different than getting so much input from a group of people. And so I don't surround myself with a lot of people. And when I'm surrounded by input, sometimes it just really throws me out of whack. And like at the mall, it's different, right? Because people are not, I mean, you see people, because I want to see people. And, you know, I want to walk by them, you know, I want, you know, somebody to smile and say hello. I want to smile and say hello back. But it's not like, you know, I don't have that input of, you know, 10 different people trying to talk to me at the same time. And so I think that that's where I struggle. But yeah, it is what it is. And so I say, you know, I want to do this Mask Monday, but I just didn't, I don't know. I couldn't get myself into that groove. And yeah. So anyway, I'm human. So yeah. Oh, anyway, let's go ahead and I can't remember what I replenish. I know I have some things coming from The Ordinary, which is my like peptides and antioxidants and stuff like that. But I'm trying to remember what I ordered. Oh, okay, I remember now. Anyway, they just package it in our usual everyday package, and they just did have a 25% off deal, and that's why I remember. That's why I bought these things extra, because I'm about to run out of my favorite thing, and I have 2 tubes usually going at a time. One upstairs in this room and one downstairs in a bathroom on the 2nd floor. So that way I have it around me, and I'm almost out of both tubes. And that is my Paula's Choice Sun Cream, okay? And this is the Youth Extending Daily Hydrating Fluid, broad spectrum SPF 50, and this is my gold standard sunscreen because it doubles as a moisturizer, and it's absorbed and it's not greasy, and this is about the only thing that doesn't burn my eyes. And it doesn't have mineral sunscreen in it, and mineral sunscreen tends to dry my skin out, and it makes my skin feel kind of tight. And I do at times use the Dermatology, the universal tinted moisturizer sunscreen. I do use that, but I need a little moisture because that tends to really make my skin a little bit drier, and I already have dry skin. I think if you have combination oily skin, that will work great, but it doesn't so much for me at times, and I wear foundation anyway, and so this is actually perfect. And so I bought 2 of these tubes because I go through these like crazy, and I do have some empties that I got to go through. I mean, it's just getting fuller and fuller. And so, yeah, very good. I recommend it. Another reason why I like this is because it's absorbed really nicely into the skin, and it does not leave a white cast at all. So if you have very dark skin or light skin, it doesn't matter. This works regardless. And it's no mineral, and that explains it. And even though universal tint, if it's got mineral sunscreen in it, you're gonna get some kind of casting, right? You get white cast. And another thing too I got is my favorite C15 Super Booster Paula's Choice Vitamin C. But I do want to give you an update on vitamin C. There's been some studies, and I just recently read a study, actually 2 days ago, that said you should not use vitamin C's, ascorbic acids, or anything like that in the same routine as your peptides, okay? Because they don't work well together. And in the past, the articles say, well, we said it was okay and it'll work, but tests and trials has shown that it doesn't. And so if you want to maximize both of your antioxidants, just like the buffet, right? That's a bunch of peptides, all right? And you want to use a vitamin C, don't make it on the same routine. So if you're what I like to do now is use vitamin C at night, and my night routine, because another thing about vitamin C, you could, if you're exposed to sun, you could burn if you don't have sufficient amount of sunscreen on. So I did start to use my vitamin C, ascorbic acid, and everything else at night with my night routine. And for the daytime, I use my hyaluronic acid, niacinamides, all my antioxidants and peptides in the morning. And so, yeah, because those actually help to lift, my skin a little bit, firm it up a little, and also, kind of helps with the fine lines, appearance of fine lines. So I like to use that before my makeup and before my sunscreen. So, but at night, I do use this now. So, yeah, a matter of fact, if you know The Ordinary, which is a Deciem company, Deciem, that's who actually manufactures The Ordinary, and it actually made a disclaimer on their site as well. If you look under vitamin C and also under buffet, that you should not use the buffet and vitamin C in the same routine. Like if it's a morning, don't do it. So they've even come out with that. So take a look, okay? And the other thing I have here is an omega complex with chia and flaxseed, and I love this serum. This serum is just so nice, and I put this on at night actually, and I really like the way it just makes my skin feel. It's absorbed really easily, and again, I separate these things far apart. So what I usually do at night, just wash, tone. I'll put this on and walk around for doing other things. So I try to do my skincare like early on, and I walk around and leave it on for about an hour or so, and then I'll come up with the other things, and like this here, all right? And then right before I'm about to go to bed, that's when I put on my Retin-A, right before I go to bed. So there's been a couple of hours or a few hours in between my skincare, so that way everything is absorbed, and it seems to be working well. So anyway, yeah, that's all I have from Paula's Choice, my sunscreen, my vitamin C, and my Super Omega Complex Chia and Flax Seed. Okay, so that's what I have. So, but I will be getting my, I think I have a bigger order for The Ordinary because those are my serums. So you'll see those. But this is all my replenishments. This is what I use, and you know, my holy grail of stuff. So I just wanted to share that with you. And so now let's break for the winner of last week's Mass Monday Ladies giveaway. So stay tuned. Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. Mass Monday Ladies. Here we are. I'm going to go ahead and pick the winner for the mix box or mix bag of stuff of products. And you know, I switched it up a little bit, and instead of doing a week's worth of masks, I'm doing a mix box of skincare, hair care, and makeup. So yeah. And today what I did was I entered a YouTube video URL already, and that's right here. And then I did filter for duplicate users, so everybody has one entry. And I filtered comments based on a specific text, and that was Birchbox. And I did my CAPTCHA. I think that's what do you call it? CAPTCHA. I never can get that right. And to say that I'm human and I'm not a computer generating this. And so 6 plus 3 is 9. So let's go ahead and see how many people participated. Okay, there's 26 unique comments. And so let's hop on over here. And you could tell what I've been chopping, right? I mean, I think I hate when they follow you, and here it is, everything that I was looking at, and all of a sudden it pops up. So anyway, here we go. Let's start the drawing. Anne-Marie Ramos. Okay, Anne-Marie. Hi, Alexis. This is very nice, Birchbox. Congratulations to your winner. Thank you for sharing. I always have to think what these abbreviation mean. And have a blessed day. So, okay, let's go ahead and hop on over and do the last step here, which is to verify that she is publicly subscribed to me. And here we go. I think I just saw me. Okay, I say that every time, don't I? But, you know, sometimes I see myself right away and I can catch it, but sometimes not. Command F, and I will say Haute, H-A-U-T-E. Oh, there we go. Okay, Anne-Marie, congratulations. It is official. And you know that you have 48 hours to get to me and let me know that you've seen it and send me your mailing address so I can send you your goodies, okay? Congratulations, Marie. Oh my God, I can't talk. Congratulations, Anne-Marie. And now let's hop on back to the regular programming. Okay, congratulations, Anne-Marie. As I said in the clip, please do reach out to me within 48 hours. Send me your name, I know your name, where you want this mailed, address, that's the word, okay? And yeah, so it was fun. Okay, anyway, so I do want to do another one, and I want to throw in some skincare too. I have some Paula's Choice skincare that I have, like, because I get auto replenishment on some of them. So let me see what I can dig up. And I do have some really nice travel size samples and things like that. But it's travel size, and like the AHA, BHA travel size I've been using it for a month now. I'm like, dang. I mean, so it's really well worth trying it. So I'll throw in some skincare since it's Mass Monday Ladies, and go ahead and use the word, let's use the word Omega, O-M-E-G-A, and I'm going to go ahead and write that down, O-M-E-G-A, Omega, okay? And so, yeah, I just wrote on my computer. So, okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I hope you guys have a good week, and I hope you enjoyed your weekend, all right? So, if I added any value, please hit like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please use that button that's down there, ring the bell, and select all so you know every time I upload a brand new video. And also a reminder, I'm still trying to get to 1,000 beautiful wildflowers. Just a reminder, because there is a giveaway video there. I'm going to have to probably resurface that and put the actual link on the more recent videos so you guys don't have to hunt it down. So I just got to remember to do that. But remember, I'm at 980. I mean, I got as high as 987, but I'm back down to 980, but that's okay, guys. So anyway, yeah, and go ahead and subscribe if you're interested and you like my content, and then yeah, watch that video so you could be in on the 1,000 beautiful wildflowers giveaway. Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers, I want you to have a good day, again, good night, a good week, a good weekend, whenever you're watching this, and it does not matter. But just remember what's important. In a field of roses, be a wildflower and never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. I am in some kind of a way. I don't know what's going on. Actually, I did some reading. I'm like, God, am I depressed? Is this depression? Because I've had it before, and I was treated for it medically because I have clinical OCD, and which I'm not taking medication anymore because through therapy I was able to get over that. But it's almost like, you know, when I feel like I'm losing control over certain things, I just feel like this. But I don't know why, because I feel like I'm in control of things, right? I mean, I have a great career and I have a great husband and my home. I mean, the only thing different that happened is that I got my package stolen. But I mean, really? I mean, I didn't even call Macy's for that. It is what it is. It's not their fault. It's a $15 package. But I'm wondering, you know, I'm doing really introspection, and I'm wondering, is it the fact that people are just that way and they take things from other people, and it just depresses me how people are to each other? And I don't know, it could be it, because that's the only thing that I can think of that changed. And so, but yeah, I mean, I don't know, because, you know, I went shopping last weekend. I spent a little more money than I should have, but I mean, that has nothing to do with anything. And it's just really odd, guys. It's really odd for me to feel like this and not be able to get out of the rut, and feeling guilty because I feel like this, because I'm like, dang, I have a great life. Why do I feel like this? I shouldn't feel like this. There's people who kill for my life. But still, it's just, I can't put my finger on it, but hopefully, you know, things will get better. And, you know, I still do see the silver lining, but the difference is, even though I see the silver lining, I don't enjoy it as much. You know what I mean? And so it's just a change. I'm wondering if it's because it's summer now and we just came into summer solstice. My daughter is going to be a year older on the 29th. I don't know. So yeah, I'll have to figure that out. But anyway, guys, enough of me rambling. And I want you guys to have a good week, okay? And be careful out there. And yeah, just be positive and be happy. And if you're not, just keep trying. I know I am. Alrighty, I'll see you soon, okay? Love you all.